Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and Quant. My name is Daniel and as you can see today I'm giving you these updates from another location. I've already landed in Vienna. I will show you all of my price targets and also my expectations and tell you what I'm planning to do with my trading management. So if you don't want to miss out on that in the future, leave a subscription down below this video, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video for you on this channel. And thank you very much for that and I hope you enjoyed this video. And we're starting here today straight on a Bitcoin 1 hour time frame. And as you can see, we have made another low, what I've been telling you here in this fifth wave. Probably this is already over, yeah. But actually, if a bottom is in place or not, cannot be guaranteed now, yeah. But I think any low, which we are making right now, yeah, it doesn't really matter if it's hitting the, let's say, 20,700 or already turning up from here, yeah. I think we should come up from here in a three-wave corrective fashion, yeah. Let's say in the region between 29,000 and 30,000 US dollars, based on the expectation that we have already seen an impulse here towards the downside, a five-wave move, which can be over at any point of time. But in both cases, rather is if this is a wave one towards the downside or an A wave, so both of the options which can happen right now in the chart, in both of those options we would move up from here in a three-wave structure in this region between, let's say, 29 and 30,000 US dollars, and that is the place where I will open up a short position for Bitcoin, because in both scenarios we would expect, or I personally would expect, a move towards the downside from there, because there are only two options for me right now on the chart. First one is that this is a wave one, so this should be a wave two, and there should be a wave 3, 4, and 5 afterwards. The other option is that this is an A wave. We should move up from here in a wave B, which has the same price target, and move down from there in a wave C. So as you can see, for the short-term target, for the trend reversal area where I want to open a short, it's not really mattering if this is a C wave or a third wave, but in this region it will get interesting if it will be time for taking profits or expecting one last dump in a fifth wave here in the C wave region. So both of the options, in my opinion, are very reliable. But for me personally, right now, the only thing which really matters is that we should move up now in a corrective fashion in this region, and that is the region where I will open up a short position. I can also show you that on a 4-hour time frame to give you an overview that rather we move down now in a three-wave move. This is the option where we can expect a bottom here, let's say between 23 and 24,000 US dollars before we move higher. In the other option, we would see a five-wave impulse here, let's say between 17,500 and 19,500 in a C wave before we can get the next big impulse towards the upside. Both of the options are possible. Both of them could be played well with a short trade down here and a long trade at the bottom. But I will keep you updated about everything and every notice which of those scenarios is playing out, and of course also about my planned short position. Let's now jump over to the Ethereum chart, and we will straight start here on the 4-hour time frame. The first option which I'm seeing here on the chart right now is that this has been a wave one, as I highlighted in the chart, and from there we moved down in an A wave, came up in an overshooting B wave, and are right now in the C wave. So this is the most bearish imminent scenario, which would also bring us down from here in a 5-wave move. As you can see, we can already be finished with a wave one. We would also move up from here in a wave two, and then see a 3, 4, 5 towards the downside between 1,200 and 1,400 US dollars before we can get the third wave. Same as for Bitcoin. For the other option, I'm moving in here in the 1-hour time frame to show you that more in detail. Same scenario which I was telling you here for Bitcoin. In my opinion, a 5-wave move is already over. So at any point we can get now a 3-wave structure towards the upside, approximately to the 2,000 US dollar level. I have already marked trend reversal area for you days ago, after we see a 5-wave impulse, which happened. And now one of the options is that this is a wave one. We will see a wave two in this region, then a 3, 4, and 5 down. The other option, which I also consider as possible, is that this has been an A wave down. We are moving up in a B wave, which has the same target, and moving down from there only in a C wave then. So same as for Bitcoin, this can develop into a 3-wave move, let's say ending at 15 to 1600 US dollars, or into a 5-wave move ending between 12 and 1400 US dollars. I personally prefer the option where we are coming down deeper, or what means prefer, I think it's more likely to happen. I think this is what is playing out, but we also need to be open for the idea of an earlier trend reversal. But right now I'm expecting a little upside in both scenarios and then a breakdown in both scenarios. The only option which I'm really taking into consideration is where we are finding support, somewhere here or somewhere here. So that is, in my opinion now, the key scenarios or the key structure which I'm focusing at. And let's now jump over at the Q&T chart. There we will straight start on the 4-hour time frame, and I think that's already enough because my expectation didn't change here since beginning of January, somewhere here, where I already highlighted for you that this is most likely an ABC structure in a second wave, which would bring us between 80 and 95 US dollars. And from there we can move up in a third wave. And in my opinion, this really looks like an ending the original in a C wave, which would need one more low between exactly in this trend reversal area. And I'm still following that expectation. If we are reaching it, I will open some long positions for Q&T, and I will also buy it for long term, because my minimum price target is around about 380 US dollars. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this content, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comment section. And also don't forget to leave a subscription down below this channel, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you in this channel. And I thank you as always very much for your support. Thank you very much for your nice comments. And I hope as always we will see each other again in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.